Hey guys, welcome back. Today you're getting a 2-for-1. We're doing a Blackpink Jennie makeup tutorial and it's going to be a kitten liner tutorial. If you want to get this look, then stay tuned. So starting off the look, I'm going to go in with a transition shade just around my crease and also around my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be taking a brown color and just smudging that around the top and bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to highlight the middle of my lid. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara off camera, and then I will be right back to do eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with a liquid liner to do the kitten liner. Now I'm going to go in with a BB cream all over my face. So now I'm going to go in with an angled brush and contour out my cheeks a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush and do blush. And moving on to lip, I'm going to be using one of the glossy lip stains from Colourpop. Last step, I'm going to go in with the setting spray. And this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. It was my first time using the brand Zeesea, and I thought it was pretty nice. I liked the colors, the pigmentation was good. I'm going to be doing a full review on a couple of their palettes coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!